Welcome to Dovin Head First. In today's video, we are going to make these 3 accessories. Okay, so I have this fabric. I love it and I want to stretch it. Like when you have fabric that you're not using, scrap fabric, this is what you can do with it. So the first thing I want to make a cover for this belt. This much is enough to cover it. It'll be a little bit tight, but yes, it can cover it. So I'm gonna cut it. My waist is 26. Okay, so I've cut it. So what I'm gonna do first is fold both ends. I'm gonna sew it all the way around. I want to make this the stitches neater, so I think I'm gonna do one of these. Sew it all the way around, turn it inside out, and then rope it into the belt. The thing I'm going to make is a bow tie. I have that piece of fabric. I'm simply just gonna do this, sew it all the way around, and then cut a smaller piece to go in here, and then the neck, around the neck is going to be an elastic band. I also want to do a few flowers, like 3 or 4 flowers to put on a band. So what I do with that is cut these into 3 pieces. So I have that like tiny little piece that's gonna be used for the bow tie. So I'm gonna start with the bow tie. I'm gonna add another fabric inside to make it a little bit thick, and then just sew it all the way around. So we are done here. The belt cover is done. I folded this bit and I sewed it looking like this. That's how the sewing was. So I just need to turn it around and rope the belt in. Turn it inside out, then rope in the belt. And this will give you a different color of belt. Thing is our bow tie. So I sewed it all the way around and left an opening. So what we're gonna do is just turn it around, press it, and then I decided to make the inner side a different color. I decided to use that color for the closure. Just fold it, and then what I normally do is just fold it facing this way. Just do a top stitch there, then turn it around. So that's our tie. And then we also have the flower. So here we are, we have the flower. I'm gonna cut the middle. And as you're sewing it, I narrow it down on the edges because that's normally the middle of the flower or the end of the flower. So there. And then just pick one. This is doubled thread, doubled. So with the flower, I did a tacking so that it's easy for me to just pull it. Okay, so I think that might be the sewing thread, and on the bobbin thread, it's normally easier to pull the bobbin thread. Okay, let's go to this side and see. There we go. I am pulling the bobbin thread from the tacking. I'll just pull it to the desired size of the flower. Then after we've done that, we're just gonna do that, and there we go, we have a flower, right? So I'm gonna do the other 3 and then come and show you how to tighten it and put it in place. Then we can add the elastic and use it to tie around our hair. Here's the flower. I just wanna sort it out, make it look flowerish, for want of a better word. So I'm just turning it around, and now we have something that has the semblance of a flower. I already have a needle. It's quite tiny, as you can see, but it's there nonetheless. I will double the thread so that it makes my work easier. So there's no formula for these. Normally I just try and shape it. Just shape it and poke in and out until the flower looks good. So just shape and sew. You see, shape and sew. I think I want it to be a little bit big, so let's look at the back. How does the back look? I need to cut these other strings. I want to double it, so yeah, there we go. So let's do the back here first. And then I have the elastic. I've already put 2 flowers in, so I'm gonna put the last one. So obviously this is elastic, so it's gonna spread out. So I just put it very close to the other one. So once I put it on my hair, it's gonna spread out. Turn it around and just start sewing. Just attach it a few times so that it doesn't fall off. Okay. I hand stitched the middle of the bow tie, and then I just tied it around, as you can see. I added the middle fabric, and then I'm just gonna take it to the sewing machine and sew it with. Okay, done.